Hey everyone, it's MKBHD here, and the moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. The iPhone 16 series is officially out. Apple has done it again, pushing the boundaries of smartphone technology with their latest release. From a brand new chip to a redesigned camera system, there's a lot to unpack. So, let's dive right in and see what the iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, and 16 Pro Max have in store for us. This year's lineup is all about refinement. Apple has taken the solid foundation laid by the iPhone 15 series and made significant improvements across the board. Whether you're a casual user or a tech enthusiast, the iPhone 16 series has something to offer everyone. Get ready for a deep dive into the world of Apple's latest and greatest. We'll be covering everything from design and performance to camera capabilities and software enhancements. By the end of this review, you'll know exactly what the iPhone 16 series is all about. So buckle up and let's explore the future of smartphones together. Let's talk design. When it comes to smartphones, design is more than just aesthetics. It's about how the device feels in your hand, how it fits into your daily life, and how it represents your personal style. Apple hasn't drastically overhauled the design language this time around, which might come as a relief to many fans who appreciate the brand's consistent and iconic look. Instead, they've opted for a more refined and polished take on the iPhone 15's aesthetic. This means that while the iPhone 16 may look familiar at first glance, there are subtle yet significant improvements that make it stand out. We still have the flat-edge design with rounded corners, a feature that has become synonymous with modern iPhones. This design not only looks sleek, but also provides a comfortable grip, making it easier to hold the phone for extended periods. But the bezels around the display are now even slimmer, maximizing that screen real estate. This change might seem minor, but it significantly enhances the viewing experience, making everything from watching videos to browsing the web more immersive. The iPhone 16 and 16 Plus now come in a new set of vibrant colors, adding a touch of personality to your device. Whether you prefer a classic look or something more bold and eye-catching, there's a color option for everyone. While the Pro models sport a more premium titanium frame that's both durable and lightweight. This material choice not only enhances the phone's durability, but also gives it a luxurious feel that sets it apart from other models. The camera bump is slightly larger to accommodate the new sensor and lens technology, which promises to deliver even better photo and video quality. This means you can capture stunning images and videos with ease, whether you're a professional photographer or just someone who loves taking pictures. But it's seamlessly integrated into the overall design, ensuring that it doesn't detract from the phone's sleek appearance. This attention to detail is what makes Apple's design philosophy so unique. Apple continues its commitment to sustainability, using recycled materials wherever possible in the construction of the iPhone 16 series. This is part of their broader effort to reduce their environmental footprint and promote a more sustainable future. From the glass to the aluminum frame, every component is carefully selected to minimize environmental impact. This means you can feel good about your purchase, knowing that you're supporting a company that values sustainability. Apple is making strides in reducing its environmental impact without compromising on quality or design. Their commitment to using recycled materials and eco-friendly production methods is a testament to their dedication to the planet. Overall, the iPhone 16 series is a testament to Apple's meticulous attention to detail. Every aspect of the phone, from its design to its materials, has been carefully considered to provide the best possible user experience. It's a perfect blend of familiar design elements with subtle refinements that enhance both the look and feel of the phone. Whether you're upgrading from an older model or buying your first iPhone, the iPhone 16 series offers a design that is both timeless and modern, ensuring it will remain stylish for years to come. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 series is powered by Apple's latest and greatest, the A18 Bionic chip. This chip is a marvel of modern engineering, representing the pinnacle of Apple's relentless pursuit of performance and efficiency. It's not just an incremental upgrade, it's a leap forward in mobile technology. This is the first 3nm chip in a smartphone, packing even more transistors, for a significant boost in performance and efficiency. The transition to a 3nm process means that the A18 Bionic can fit more transistors into the same space, leading to better performance and lower power consumption. This technological advancement is a game changer, setting a new benchmark for the industry. We're talking about a CPU that's up to 20% faster, and a GPU that's up to 30% faster compared to the A17 Bionic in the iPhone 15 series. This means that the A18 Bionic is not just faster on paper, it translates to real-world improvements that users will notice every day. Whether you're launching apps, playing games, or multitasking, the A18 Bionic delivers a noticeable boost in speed and responsiveness. In real-world use, this translates to blazing fast app launches, buttery smooth scrolling, and seamless multitasking. Imagine being able to switch between apps without any lag, or scroll through your social media feeds with unparalleled smoothness. The A18 Bionic makes all of this possible, providing a user experience that's second to none. I put the A18 Bionic through its paces with demanding games and video editing, and it handled everything I threw at it without breaking a sweat. From graphically intensive games to high-resolution video editing, the A18 Bionic performs flawlessly. Gamers will appreciate the smooth frame rates and quick load times, while creative professionals will love the ability to edit videos on the go without any hiccups. The increased efficiency of the A18 Bionic chip also means improved battery life, which we'll get into more detail later. This efficiency is crucial for users who rely on their smartphones throughout the day. With the A18 Bionic, you can expect longer battery life, allowing you to do more without constantly worrying about recharging. But the bottom line is that the iPhone 16 series is an absolute beast when it comes to performance, setting a new standard for mobile processing power. It's not just about raw speed, it's about creating a seamless and enjoyable user experience. The A18 Bionic ensures that the iPhone 16 series can handle anything you throw at it, from everyday tasks to the most demanding applications. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a creative professional, or just someone who demands the best, the A18 Bionic delivers an unparalleled mobile experience that's simply unmatched. It's a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation and excellence, providing users with a device that not only meets but exceeds their expectations. The iPhone 16 series with its A18 Bionic chip is truly a powerhouse performer, ready to take on the future of mobile technology. Section 4. Display. Bright, vibrant, and responsive. The display has always been a strong point of the iPhone, and the iPhone 16 series takes it up a notch. All models now feature Apple's stunning promotion display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means scrolling is incredibly smooth, animations are fluid, and everything just feels more responsive. The display also gets a significant brightness boost, reaching up to 2000 nits at peak brightness. This makes it incredibly easy to view your screen outdoors, even in direct sunlight. The colors are vibrant and accurate, and the blacks are deep and inky, thanks to Apple's industry-leading OLED technology. Whether you're browsing the web, watching your favorite shows, or editing photos, the iPhone 16 series display delivers an immersive and enjoyable viewing experience. It's a feast for the eyes, and a testament to Apple's commitment to pushing the boundaries of display technology. The combination of the promotion technology, the increased brightness, and the vibrant color reproduction makes this one of the best displays I've ever seen on a smartphone. Section 5. Camera. Level up your photography game. Let's talk cameras because Apple has made some serious upgrades this year. The iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max are not just incremental updates, they represent a significant leap forward in mobile photography technology. The iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max now feature a larger 48-megapixel main camera sensor with a wider f1.7 aperture. This isn't just a numbers game. The larger sensor and wider aperture mean that each pixel can capture more light, which translates to better image quality. This allows for even more light to be captured, resulting in stunning images with incredible detail, especially in low-light conditions. Imagine capturing the vibrant colors of a cityscape at night or the subtle hues of a sunset with unprecedented clarity. The improved sensor and aperture work together to reduce noise and enhance detail, making your night shots look professional. The ultra-wide camera also gets a significant upgrade, now boasting a 12-megapixel sensor and a wider f2.2 aperture. This means you can capture expansive landscapes, large group photos, or architectural marvels with ease. The wider aperture allows for more light to enter, which is particularly useful in low-light scenarios. This allows you to capture even more of the scene in your shots, and the improved lens elements result in sharper images with less distortion. Whether you're photographing a sweeping mountain range or a bustling city street, the ultra-wide camera ensures that every detail is crisp and clear. Video recording capabilities have also been enhanced, with the iPhone 16 Pro models now capable of recording 8K video at 30 frames per second. This is a game changer for content creators and videographers. The 8K resolution provides 4 times the detail of 4K, allowing for incredibly sharp and detailed videos. This allows you to capture your memories in stunning detail, and the improved image stabilization ensures that your footage is smooth and stable, even when you're on the move. Whether you're filming a fast-paced action scene or a serene landscape, the advanced stabilization technology keeps your videos looking professional. Apple has also introduced a brand new feature called Capture Button, which we'll discuss in detail in the next section. This innovative feature aims to make capturing photos and videos more intuitive and accessible, allowing you to focus on the moment rather than fiddling with settings. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into how the capture button can revolutionize your photography experience.